My God! Okay, it's happening.
Everyone, what's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Well,
And that was the last time we received any information on Chainsaw Man 2, Chainsaw Man anime, and Chainsaw Man in general. It was the live stream which went on for 11 hours, which, it said that it's gonna give us something at the end. Everyone was watching it for the 11 hours straight, including me. Of course, I was so hyped. I thought it was gonna be the anime trailer, even though it's completely impossible. So that took place around a month ago, March 3 to be exact. Since that month, it's been around 30 to 40 days on the time of recording, and there's been no news on Chainsaw Man at all. I like to call it the void period. If you have been anywhere around the Chainsaw Man fandom in this 1 month, you have seen stuff. You have seen them go crazy. You have seen them go psycho like me. You have seen them do crazy shit. It's been 2 years since Chainsaw Man ended. It's been 4 months since Chainsaw Man ended. I don't know why it feels like it's been 2 years. As the time of the recording, it's been like exact 4 months. Chainsaw Man ended at December 13. I'm recording it at 11th, so it's been 4 months. And in these 4 months, I know it's impossible, but every day I wake up, I pray to God, like, God, please give me the trailer. I know I'm gonna get the trailer today. I know I'm gonna get the trailer today. I say this every single day. And yes, it doesn't work. You know what, guys? Let's cut to the chase. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth about the Chainsaw Man anime, about the Chainsaw Man Part 2, about everything you need to know. No one has done this yet because no one can handle the truth like the god myself. Control devil. Is the pun even valid? Anyways, I'm gonna make this real short and quick, guys. I'm not gonna waste my time over this because I got my exams, like tomorrow, and I'm filming a Chainsaw Man video. I mean, it's worth it. It's worth it. I guess I'm the only other content creator on YouTube that makes Chainsaw Man video regularly. Like, who else makes Chainsaw Man videos regularly? I don't know. If you know some, leave them in the comments. I'll check them out. The only people I know that work on Chainsaw Man content, like, as regular as possible, are that Chainsaw channel, which makes the ending themes for Chainsaw Man really cool. I like that. And I don't know, and there is this one channel, I'll just keep the screenshot on the screen if you can see. I don't remember the name, but this channel who does great work. I mean, I haven't watched the video myself because I know all the content in the video already because I'm a nerd, but he's doing God's work. Obviously, there is Reddit, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so forth, which is being controlled by the fan artists, the fan animators, and everything. Fans are like, they're just gonna control the industry before MAPPA, does the anime trailer and all. Respect to the artists, respect to them. So let's start with the bad news. I mean, the only thing there is to discuss is the bad news for Chainsaw Man, so don't get your hopes up. I'm gone TV, there's nothing peaceful in my channel, so you're only gonna receive the bad. But it's the truth, it's the sad truth. So let's get into it. Since Chainsaw Man is going to be animated by the same anime studio as Attack on Titan Season 4 and Jujutsu Kaisen, well, Jujutsu Kaisen is, very close, similar, like a carbon copy of Chainsaw Man, said by the author himself, so don't quote me on that and don't, kill me. Don't cancel me. Let's look at the PR strategy for Jujutsu Kaisen. So on January 2020, they officially announced Jujutsu Kaisen's anime, and the manga was still ongoing, and around 6 months later, which was May of 2020 if I'm correct, they released the anime trailer. So the gap between the anime announcement and the trailer was exact 6 months, right? Alright. The Chainsaw Man anime announcement was on December of 2020, and it's been 4 to 5 months. It's almost 4 months right now, right? Yeah, it's almost 4 to 5 months now, and best case scenario, we're going to get the trailer next month or the next month, which is June, I guess. So May or June. I don't see anything happening in May. I don't think there is anything going to be happening in April regarding the Chainsaw Man anime. But, May, June are the best case scenarios. And I say best case because we got worst case scenario too. Now, Jujutsu Kaisen's production staff told us that they started pre-producing the anime like for 2 years ago. And we haven't got any confirmation such as that for Chainsaw Man. So for all we know, Chainsaw Man might have started in being in production on this January or March. Who knows, right? The last time I heard someone say was they didn't even make the character models yet, let alone the anime as a whole, as a trailer itself. I don't know what to believe, but let's go with the worst case scenario. Now, I think the original intention for Chainsaw Man franchise wasn't to announce the anime at December of 2020 when the manga ended. I think the only reason they announced it was because the manga had come to an end, and it would be a great PR strategy to, show more highlight to Chainsaw Man Part 1 ending with the help of its anime announcement. So then they can, sell their merch, which was coming later on. We have seen all the merch on Twitter, on Instagram, it's everywhere. Like the body pillows. Oh no, I know you like that, you guys, I know. Which worked great. This entire strategy, I think, worked really well for them. But let's take the worst case scenario. If they started pre-producing the anime like this January, we're gonna get the anime next year ending, or possibly 2023. Which is sad, but it cannot be avoided. And I know it's really, really sad to listen to, but don't worry. For the first time, I have some good news too. And the good news is unfortunately not related to the anime, but it is related to the manga. Now, by the end of March, we're officially done with the second Chainsaw Man popularity poll. You could have voted for, your favorite character every single day. I personally voted for Denji every single day. Even though I love every other characters, I think Denji is, he is my soul being. You get what I mean, right? At the end of April, we are actually going to get the results for who is the most popular character. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Aki because, when they released the provisional results, Aki was on top and everyone was like, yeah, we need to get Aki top next time too. So if Aki is on the top, good for him. We are going to get a color spread for Aki, I guess, because the author confirmed telling that he's going to draw a cover spread or something like that for the number one character. If it's Makima, he's going to draw Makima. If it's Denji, he's going to draw Denji. But I think he's going to draw Aki. Now that we know we are going to get results at the end of April, which is like 28th or 30. Wait, how many days are in April? 30, yeah. 30. We are going to probably get it near 30, 29, 28, somewhere around that. And once we get that, it's going to be like 2 months since we last got our anything related to Chainsaw Man news, which was the live stream. It's going to be 2 months since then that we are getting this. The fan following for Chainsaw Man was so starving that there was one leak, not leak in general, but a line sticker set for Chainsaw Man which revealed Fushiguro, why am I saying Fushiguro? Which revealed Hirofumi Yoshida's hair color to be purple. We initially thought it was black, but it's actually purple. And the fandom freaked out over it. I mean, this character appears just for once. He's a very popular character, but you see how starved the Chainsaw Man fandom is, to jump on even a small news like that. It's like crumbs, basically. So we're gonna get I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a good big announcement kind of thing for Chainsaw Man Part 2 because it's the ending of Chainsaw Man 1 as a whole. With this popularity poll, we're gonna wrap up every single thing that's needed to be wrapped up for Chainsaw Man Part 1. Then we're probably gonna get a release date for Chainsaw Man 2 because last time Fujimoto confirmed that, yeah, he's in process of completing the Chainsaw Man 2 storyline or something like that. He's in the process of making it in general. So I think we're gonna get an announcement, like it's gonna be one to 3 or 4 months from now that we're gonna get Chainsaw Man 2. We're gonna get a big, news on that at the end of April, that is. That's good. That's something to look forward to. Because I know you guys are dead. Because if you're watching my video right now, you either don't have a life or, I don't know, keep watching my video. Anyways, so those were the 2 news we had to cover. Now, the anime, oh god, I estimate it to come like at the end of this year or the beginning of next year. If we go by the worst case scenario, that is, we are gonna get it at the middle or at the end of next year. I'll cry, dude. I started this channel, reviewing the end chapters of Chainsaw Man weekly, and then I lost my path. I don't know, I was some addict. I don't know what happened. That was a joke. Then I didn't think Chainsaw Man was gonna end, but it did. So I was like, no, never mind, I cannot make any other video now. And I decided to make a fake trailer, and boom, my channel exploded, and I was like, yeah, let's make another Chainsaw Man video. So here I am. And once the Chainsaw Man Part 2 begins, I'm probably gonna review it every single week again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I am, because dude, no one loves Chainsaw Man more than me. That's why when Fujimoto was not here, I played his role in, making you all cry. Yeah, I mean, I know him, that's why. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know, dude, just do whatever you want. I'm not gonna force you or anything, but it's your life. Alright, I think I should even stop doing recrolls right now, because I see the pain I have caused to many people, and I think that's a bad thing to do. So, with my whole heart, I promise to you that I will never, ever